Now let's understand curve fitting in a MATLAB. But before that, let's use few commands which are very useful in MATLAB, and you will need to reuse it again and again. So the first, what you should do, you should close this variable view window. So because if you are done with it, you don't need it. So you just click on this. So this window will close, and the command window will open in this full size. Now if you want to remove this workspace also, because now we want to import some new data and we don't want this data to be here in this workspace. For that, the command is like clear all. So all this workspace it will be gone. So right, clear all and press enter. If you want to remove this if you want to clear this command window also, for that the command is clc. So these are the two commands. The first command is clear all, and to clean this workspace, and clc to clean this command window. You can use this upper arrow key and down arrow key to see your command history. So if you want to repeat any command, you have this option to use up and down arrow key. So suppose if you want to use this clear all, then use this up arrow key and press enter. This will come up. And again, if you want to use this clc, then use up arrow key and click on this one. So let's understand curve fitting now. For that, I will again import the data, but in different way. So click on home tab, import data. I will import that data again. Time 3 is global, and this time I will select the data of the India only. Okay, India numerical matrix, and click on import selection. So now I have this data only. uh, I will click on this and I will write just India here. Okay, so before using curve fitting, since you will have to you will need one more variable. So I am just using x. So defining variable is very easy in this MATLAB. So x is equal to, I will use the size of the data. I want to keep it same as this one. So 1 to 442. So what this will do? This will define a variable x, which will take value from 1 to 442 in the interval of 1. So now you can see there are two variables in this workspace: x 1 cross 442 and India 1 cross 442. Now let's use this curve fitting tool. So click on this app and curve fitting x data. I will keep x variable in this x data, and in the y data the COVID of this one. Now you can see this is not a good fit. The fitting here is polynomial of degree 1. Let's try polynomial of degree 2. You can see the fit is still not good. You can see the goodness of fit values here. So SSE value is here, R square value, adjusted R square, RMSE, and this is the equation of the fitting curve fitting equation. So p1 x to the power 2 plus p2 x to p2 x plus p3. If you can try with polynomial of different degrees. The other options are also available here. So we can start with exponential of degree 1, number of terms 1, exponential number of terms 2. So ae to the power bx plus e to the power dx. So this is exponential. Let's try Gaussian. So you will see it is closer. So let's try Gaussian with number of terms. So it seems very close fit. So now you can see the equation of for this is a1 e power minus x minus b1 upon c1 whole square plus a2 ex exponential x minus b2 upon c2 to the power 2. The values of different parameters are here, which has been computed automatically, and the values of goodness of fit you can also find it here. So you can try your custom equation also. If you want to write the equation manually, then you can write it here. Okay, so in this format only, like for multiplication you will have to use this star sign, and for exponential you will have to write exp. So in this way you can write any custom equation also. And so now you can see, and you can also try uh, different options here, and for comparison also. So you can just show that polynomial with degree 4, these are the values of the goodness of fit, and for say Gaussian with two terms, you have these options available. So in this way you can uh, use this curve fitting tool in this MATLAB. And for using this figure again in the your Word file, what you can do, you can just go to this file menu and click on this print to figure. So this will open up as a figure file. Now the other things you can do similarly, which we have done previously. If you want to edit it, click on this figure properties, and you can edit any section here also by double clicking on it, double clicking on this one, double clicking on this data. So you can double click on any section and you can edit this figure, and after that you have the option of saving it in an image file, or you can directly copy it by clicking on this copy figure and paste it in any Word file. Okay, so this was about curve fitting, which is quite easy to use in MATLAB, and you can just visualize any data to find the equation in the corresponding equation, the corresponding value of goodness of fit.